In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add space in Discord text channel. First, open Discord either in the desktop app or in your browser and sign in. On the left sidebar, click the server where you want this channel. In the channel list, look for the text channel section so we create the right kind of channel. Click Create Channel. When you're asked for the channel type, choose Text. Now move to the channel name field. Type the name you want using regular words so it's easy to read later. By default, Discord converts spaces to hyphens, and that's what we're going to change in a moment. Click Create Channel to finish the basic setup. Next, we need an invisible space character. Open the provided document, copy the invisible space that's there and keep it on your clipboard. It looks like nothing, but it's a real character that Discord will accept. Tip: make sure you only copy the single invisible character, not any extra line breaks around it. Return to Discord and go to the channel you just created. Open Edit Channel. In the settings, stay on Overview and click back into the channel name. Delete the hyphens between your words so the words touch. Now place your cursor between those words and paste the invisible space. Do that anywhere you want a visible gap. You won't see a regular space, but your channel name will display with clean separation, just like normal text. If it doesn't look right at first, check that you removed every hyphen and that you pasted the invisible character, not a regular space. When it looks good, click Save Changes. That's it. The channel now shows spaces in its name while staying compatible with Discord's naming rules. A few quick notes to help you out. Some bots or scripts that rely on exact channel names may not anticipate invisible characters, so if a bot stops finding the channel, confirm its configuration. Mentioning the channel with the hashtag picker still works because Discord tracks the channel internally. If you manage many channels, keep names short and consistent so members can scan them quickly. And if you ever need to rename it, repeat the same edit. Remove hyphens, paste the invisible space where you want the breaks, and save. You've just learned a simple way to get neat-looking channel names in Discord without breaking the rules.